You are going to learn how to make this trending car effect in Capcut right now. Open Capcut and press New Project, select your clip, and enter a ad.
Now copy your clip and go to Overlay, Remove Background, and press Overlay and drag the clip under the first clip and sort the clip 0. 2 second, now go to the beginning, into the clip tap keyframe, and drag the clip to the left out the screen. Go to the end of the clip and drag to the image or the right outside screen, like this. Copy the clip, many as you like, then we should end up something like this. Go back, tap effect, video effect, tap lens, tap motion blur and adjust a setting if you like, and check mark. Now, you drag the motion blur clip to the beginning into the red line. Now, sort the motion blur effect around this size. Copy the motion blur, drag it to the other one, and do this a few times. Select the first motion blur and press Object. Then, select black, just like this. Sort the motion blur and tap Overlay and repeat this process all motion blur clips. Select the top clip, press Copy and cut out and remove background like this, and then press Overlay and drag completely down to the first one. Select this clip and press Layer and select first one and repeat the process all clip. We should end up something like this. Tap effect, video effect, choose nightclub and choose black flash 2. Shake or any other effect that you like and press OK. Finally, shorten the effect like that. Congratulations! You can now make this trending car effect. If it works for you, please let me know down below in the comments. Or, if you struggle with something, also let me know down below in the comments, and I will help you. And please subscribe. Thank you guys.